welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're starting our cherry tomatoes. We're using the Fairy Morse variety. And the first step is to make sure we're going to have good drainage in this container since we're using a container for our starts. So we have some rocks at the bottom which are going to be able to take the water in that goes too deep so that the soil doesn't get waterlogged. We're going to be using our Miragrow seed starting mix, and we're going to put that in right now. Now that we've put it in our seed starting mix, we're going to water because good watering will help with the drainage and help with keeping the soil wet. So yeah, let's go do that now, and I'll be back in a sec. Right here we're putting in some more seed starting mix because we want multiple layers of this watering thing so that everywhere in the container has good drainage. So next we're just going to water again, but we're about to put our seeds in, so it'll all be worth it. And doing these steps really is going to help with the results of our seed starts. So yep, we're just going to keep watering it. Now that all the watering is done, we put our last layer of soil on. We put our last layer of soil on, and now we get to water for the last time. We're just gonna water very nice because it's gonna drain down, and if we've done all our steps right, we're gonna have very good seed starts. But we're gonna take these sticks out because we don't want any pressure on them. Since all of it's watered, we can now put our seeds in. I use the back of the seed container to listen to the instructions. It says like 1/4 inch deep, so I pay very close attention to that stuff. And since our soil is ready for the seeds to go in, we can put our seeds in now. And then I'm just gonna spread them out sort of randomly, and then just put a little bit of soil on top. Like, I'm not gonna make 1/4 inch deep holes. So let's do that right now. Now that it's done, we're gonna water again, because if all our steps are right, it's all just gonna drain down, and the soil's gonna stay nice and moist. So yep, let's just keep watering. And this is the final waterings. Our seeds are in, our soil's in, our rocks are in, our everything's in. Everything should be good. So since our watering's done, I might as well just show you around the greenhouse. I said that I was getting one of these in a few videos ago, and it's finally done. We are going to put in a bench though on both sides, just so I can have room to work. But yeah, as you see, the reason we're doing this is because underneath the wet soil, although it looks wet, it's just a whole bunch of dry soil. So we're going to just keep watering again and again, and then once we're done, we're going to put our tag in, and then our greenhouse effect over it. But yep, let's just keep watering. Next is our tags. We're gonna just use Sharpie, and then what I do is I just write the name of the vegetable and then the variety. I use this information to make this video basically. Now that a tag's made, you see we're using we're making tomatoes, and we're using the super sweet variety, and that's today's date. Although this video is not coming out on that date, we're gonna put our tag in, then we can put our plastic wrap over top. This is gonna be the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please like. And if you really enjoyed it, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.